Virtual reality is so new, it's easy to make mistakes when designing training courses. One of the most common mistakes we see is overloading a learner with unengaging content. A virtual reality session is engaging for only about 15 to 30 minutes before the learner needs a break. So adding static content can waste valuable instruction time. Some examples of static content are listening to long audio instructions, reading paragraphs of text, watching videos in the virtual reality space, and legal jargon or overly detailed disclaimers. This content is good and often a necessary addition to learning courses, but better suited for more traditional e-learning modalities like presentations, documents, or videos. Instead, engage your learners by adding elements like gamification, where learners complete tasks against a time limit, receive personal scores based on performance, or achieve awards for remembering the order of certain processes. Another mistake we see is not including enough interactions. Virtual reality is all about action and muscle memory and takes full advantage of those learning experiences. It's tempting to just tell your learners how to do each step, but to really retain the training, they need to experience it for themselves. Think about all the different steps you want them to learn and make a list. Using this list as a starting point for the structure of your virtual reality program will ensure better retention, give you more data to track and evaluate progress once it's built out. Finally, a mistake we see is making instructions overly complicated. In a virtual reality program, it's tempting to spell out every instruction explicitly, down to the smallest detail. This can slow down the experience, however, and learners can often pick up on nonverbal cues very quickly. For example, if you want them to pick up a box by its corners, instead of having them read or listen to instructions, we can add highlights to those corners, making the step intuitive.